in another video, so I got a code. Look, it's over here, and that's quick. So let's just go in the video, and I have only 30 Robux to tell you. I'm moving my screen everywhere. And you look at my pet. I got a code for you guys. And it's capital first. Have you saw that quick? No, that was quick. Have you saw that? Have you saw that? Okay. What? T-H what? A-T? Like that?
F.
No, that. Not. What?
C.
Alright, that. I forgot. I can't move. That would. Have you spelled quick?
Here, going on. The normal card for today that you can find will be on the Twitter of
Oh, there's a oh, hold on. Look up that. It's an attack. Again. Somebody wants Somebody wants Alright, let's do Nick Cat. I got the code now, guys. And I'm looking. Nick. Hey guys, so let's find another code. Yes. I got another code. Thank you. Dang. My happy so thank you. A U. That code definitely works in his favor. That's not your code. What is it gonna be?
Here's 3,000 cash already, so that's pretty OP. Like I said, these codes are pretty OP if you want to go at any time. If you want to go and get some of the lower down level pets, these codes will easily use the game there. So we really recommend any
And guys, comment the word button if you know how to press.
Okay, I think I have space. So if you enter 6K and then play it, all capitals, I believe. There you go. Okay, I've already used this code. You can go and get some extra 2,000 cash, or already at 5,000 cash now. And then the final code you've got is code boost as well. So you've only got 5 codes at the moment. Then if you go and use this code boost, you go and get yourself an extra. Go and get yourself an extra 1,000 cash as well. I also think we've got the code sorry for data, but I believe this was like a limited time code. Yeah, okay. Boost code. Alright, yeah, I don't.
Sorry for Dado.
Very special.
Sorry for Dado. Okay. That was a potato. Three, 4. This will definitely work, guys. No, I already did that code. I forgot.
I've already actually entered this side recorded. You go and yourself.
Hannah, are you done? Your eyes off. Hannah. Hannah. Yes, you're.
I've already used this code. You go and get yourself an extra 2,000 cash now. And then the final code is 5 codes of them.
I already did that.
Go and get yourself an extra. Go and get also think we've got the code sorry for data, but I believe this was like a limited time code. Yeah, okay, huge code. Alright, yeah, I don't think you can get any money for that. I mean, you might, I mean, you go and try that. Any future code. A bunch of YouTuber codes, so honestly, I just kind of experiment with any YouTubers' names that maybe Boost or Intel, they might have personalized codes and stuff, so I wait till they release their videos on those codes. But yeah, that's pretty much the code. Thank you so much for watching.
We're gonna find out the OP code.
I asked you if there was a penguin. Wait, what? 250 likes. I'm down to do another video, guys. Impossible. For sure. I'll have a cool video. Alright? 250 likes. I'm gonna go with you guys.
Well, I'm taking my head.